J3A's President Dr. Warren Blake says lingering financial fallout from the COVID-19 pandemic could play a major part in star athletes choosing the World Championships over the Commonwealth Games in 2022. The two events look set to be held only days apart, with World Athletics announcing last month that the Eugene, Oregon World Championships will now be held from July 15 to 24, 2022 to accommodate the shift of the Tokyo 2020 Olympics to 2021. The Birmingham Commonwealth Games is scheduled to begin on July 27, 3 days after the World Championships.
They find it difficult or they don't want to go to the lesser meets because when you go to the Commonwealth Games, there's no prize money structure there. And when you go to the World Championship, there is prize money. So people are going to want to go to where they can make some earnings, especially coming off of a year where the earnings was severely restricted because of the COVID-19 outbreak.
Dr. Blake says the decision as to whether athletes are selected for either the World Championships or the Commonwealth Games or to attend both meets in 2022 will ultimately rest with them. That two different teams may have to be selected for the events.
I see an increased difficulty where the two games are so close together. But what normally happens when the athletes enter for the national championship, they indicate to us on the entry form which games, which events they are making themselves available for. The athletes usually decide on the forms between them and their coaches. Say, okay, we're entering them for the championships, but they're only available for such and such games.